everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme will be bees. Next week's theme will be 4th of July, firecracker, anything that relates to that holiday. You may go ahead and enter our collab. Also, we enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the ladies' links will be down below. We're excited. We took a little break, and now we're back and ready to craft. It's always so good when you've got a little time to ease your mind, and then it seems like you come back with a punch. And this card is adorable, so I absolutely love it. So starting out, we are focusing on Jaded Blossom bee dies, and so these are the faces that came with the dies. Well, it didn't come with it. Purchased it separately, but love those faces. They're adorable. And there goes the bees. Just too cute. I think it comes with 26 pieces or something like that. But I love that. I'm so happy I got it. They're just the cutest. I'm also using this Whimsy Stamp die honeycomb pattern. I'm not sure if they still have that in their shop. I may have purchased it when it was on clearance, not sure. I'm also using this set from Cards TV, Stamps, Birds and Bees, and I'm using, I don't know which one I'm using. Here's the Buzz. And from Spellbinders, I'm using this die right there. Spellbinders again. I thought I would pull this out and use this. So glad I did. And I'm using these two right at the end there. Honeybee Stamps. I am using, I don't know what the name of this. Lovely Coneflower. I love this. Just too cute. I'm telling you. Cuteness overload. And then this one, oops, Altenew. You can get this one from Altenew. Just using the stem. Are you prepared for cuteness overload? Oh my Lanta. I adore this card. Those faces are just too cute. I probably should have put glossy accents on the faces, but nevertheless, they're cute without it. Just too cute. I did ink up the flower with several different colors. I cut it out on yellow paper, and then I also added a little bit of yellow to it and pink, which brought in that little hint of orange in there. You can barely see it, and then just inked up the top of that, and as well as the flower, leaves and stem. But adorable. I did do what Leanne said about adding the little a little bit of Copic marker behind the wings on the bees, just so that you can show a little bit of hint of blue or whatever color you want to use behind it. But I love this. It's just too cute. Oh, and I also added some of this paint splatter, the Bombay White India ink. Love that, and then added a few gems on there. Just too cute. And I did that to the flower as well. Oh, that's adorable. I did see over on Pinterest that someone had put a bee with a bouquet of flowers, which inspired me to do this one this way. So I love this though. It's just so cute. And then this is where I use that honeycomb. I just cut a piece of that and put it in the inside there. But love how that turned out. It's just too cute. I will be using this set again. I have another idea that I want to try out, and so we'll see how that works. But anyways, if you have the chance, make sure you enter into our collab using bees this week. Next week, 4th of July related, fireworks, whatever you got, totally fine. And then enter also into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Satmorn Makes. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.